Hi students, so far we have discussed the solution of linear differential equation with constant coefficients and also the solution of linear differential equation with variable coefficients. We have seen the solution of both the equations. Now let us put to solution of second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients. You know the standard form of linear differential equation with variable coefficients. So that can be written as we know that a naught of x into y double dash plus a1 of x into y dash plus a2 of x into y is equal to r of x. So this is the standard form of second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients. So this equation can be written as y double dash plus p of x into y dash plus q of x into y is equal to r of x, where p of x is equal to a naught a1 of x by a naught of x and q of x is equal to, that can be written as a2 of x by a naught of x. So r of x by a naught of x, RHS becomes r of x by a naught of x. So this is the standard form of second order linear differential equation where p and q are functions of x. Suppose if a naught of x is x square into y double dash, if it is a1 of x is x into y dash, a2 of x is constant is equal to r of x. So easily we can solve with the help of the Cauchy's linear differential equation. So this is special case of the differential equation. But here p of x and q of x need not be the degree of the p of x and order of the derivative will not be same. So in this case, how to solve the problem? Let us see. So that is the method of reduction to normal form. You have to use the transformation such that we'll have a new differential equation. So that new differential equation does not have any first derivative term. So that method is called normal form method. So you have to eliminate the first derivative in the equation 1.38. Okay. So once if we eliminate the first derivative, easily we can solve the help of the previous methods what we studied so far. Now to eliminate the first derivative, use the transformation y is equal to u into v, where u and v are functions of x. And this is the general solution of the equation 1.38. You have to find out u and v, and also you have to eliminate the first derivative in equation 1.38. Now we have y dash, differentiate this u dash into second function v plus first function into derivative of second function, that is v dash. Again differentiate y double dash is equal to u double dash into v plus 2 into u dash v dash plus u into v double dash. Substituting y dash and y double dash in equation 1.38, we get y dash nothing, y double nothing but u double dash v plus 2 u dash v dash plus u into v double dash plus p of x as it is written. Y dash nothing but u dash v plus u v dash plus q of x written. Y is equal to uv, that is r of x, simply written r. Now grouping the terms u double dash, u dash and u, we get v into u double dash plus 2v dash plus p into v u dash plus v double dash plus p into v dash plus q into v into u is equal to r. Now we know that normal method says that just uh, eliminating the first derivative. To eliminate the first derivative, equating the coefficient of u dash to 0. What is coefficient of u dash? 2v dash plus p into v is equal to 0. So just eliminating the first derivative of u dash, that is 2v dash plus pv, just I made 0. Let us solve this equation. So I think this can be written as 2 into dv by dx is equal to minus p into v. So dv by v is equal to minus p by 2 into dx. So variables are separated. Just integrate 1 by v integration log v is equal to minus integration of p by 2 into dx. V is equal to e to the power of minus of integration of p by 2 into dx. So that we know, we have seen that v is equal to e to the power of integration of p by 2 into dx, where p is a function of x. So that is the coefficient of y dash in the given equation. Once if you know v, you find out v dash and v double dash also, v double dash. So now, so this can be written as 2v dash is equal to minus p into v. So v dash is equal to minus half into pv. Similarly, v double dash, differentiate this, minus half into p dash into v plus p into v dash. I applied product of derivative of product of two functions. Again, v double dash is equal to minus half into p dash into v plus 1 by 4 into p square v. Okay, where v dash is equal to again minus half into pv. So v dash and v double dash are written in terms of v here. Now substituting v here, everything substituting v dash and v double dash in terms of v. Therefore equation 1.40 becomes v into u double dash plus minus half into p dash v plus 1 by 4 into p square v minus this is minus of half p square v plus q into v into u is equal to r. After simplification, v into u double dash q minus half into p dash minus 1 by 4 into p square v into u is equal to r. V is common, divided by v. Therefore u double dash plus q minus half into p dash minus 1 by 4 into p square into u is equal to r by v. So the above equation can be written as u double dash nothing but d square u by dx square. So u coefficient is q minus half into p dash minus 1 by 4 into p square. So that can be written as k of x into u is equal to s of x, where s of x is equal to r of x by v. Yes. So this is the required normal form of given differential equation. Just by eliminated the first derivative in this equation by taking the transformation y is equal to u into v. So therefore k of x is equal to, we know that q minus 1 by 2 into dp by dx minus 1 by 4 into p square. S of x is equal to r by v, where v is equal to we calculate e to the power of minus integral of p by 2 into dx. So v goes to numerator, that becomes plus here. So r into e to the power of integral of p by 2 into dx. So if k of x is constant, so equation 1.41 equation becomes, it is second order differential equations with constant coefficients. Easily that can be solved. Already we discussed solutions of linear differential equation with constant coefficients. If it is k of x, maybe the function of x that is always constant by x square. Either there are two cases, k of x may be constant or a by x square form. If it is a by x square form, u double dash plus k of x is equal to a by x square into u is equal to s of x. X square comes here, x square into u double dash plus a square into u is equal to x square into s of x. This equation nothing but it is a second order Cauchy linear differential equation. So easily we can solve once again by taking a substitution or transformation. This is x square here. X is equal to e power z. One can convert from variable coefficients into the constant coefficients. Easily that can be solved. Already we discussed the solution of differential equation with variable coefficients, equidimensional variable coefficients as well as the constant coefficients. So this is the method to solve the differential equation, second order differential equation with variable coefficient by taking substitution y is equal to uv. So that let us move to the solution. Easily we can solve the problem with the help of the normal form. Let us move to the problem. Solve y2 minus 4x into y1 plus 4x square minus 3 into y is equal to e power x square. Y2 nothing but here d square y by dx square minus 4x into dy by dx plus 4x square minus 3 into y is equal to e power x square. It is a second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients. And moreover, order of the derivative y dy by dx and degree same here, but here the problem with 4x square minus 3. Here order is 0 and the degree is 2. So we cannot solve in the previous way. So it is very difficult to solve the problems, but one can solve through normal form method, reduction of normal form method. So these are the form y double dash or y2 plus p of x into y1 plus q of x into y is equal to r of x, where p of x is equal to minus 4x, which I written here, and q of x equal to 4x square minus 3, and r of x equal to e power x square. So if I use normal form method, so immediately one should take the general solution y is equal to uv be the general solution of our given differential equation. So once if we take the general solution with the help of the normal form, so our equation reduced to in this form d square y by dx square plus k of x into u is equal to s of x, which you have seen in the procedure. So where k is equal to where k is equal to, that is q minus 1 by 4 into p square minus 1 by 2 into dp by dx, and we know that e to the power of minus half into p dx. S r by v. Now we know that e to the power of minus half into p dx. So where p p is equal to minus 4x. This let us integrate this. It means v is equal to e to the power of integral of minus of minus plus, that is 2x into dx. So this can be written as e to the power of integration of 2x, that is x square by 2 and 2 to get cancelled, e to the power of x square. V is equal to e power x square. Yes, we got. Now let us move to k. K is q minus 1 by 4 into p square minus dp by dx, where q is equal to q is equal to 4x square minus 3, 4x square minus 3. So that I written 4x square minus 3 minus 1 by 4 into 16x square. P square is equal to minus 4x whole square 16x square with minus 1 by 4 I written. dp by dx minus p is equal to minus 4x, differentiation of minus 4x is minus 4, which I written. So after simplification we have minus 1. k is constant. Already told you either k may be constant or constant by x square form will get. But here we have k is minus 1. Yes, r by v, we already calculated, but r e power x square, s of x is equal to 1. Therefore, our equation reduced to d square u by dx square minus u, because k is minus 1 minus u is equal to s is 1. So it is a second order differential equation with constant coefficients. Easily we can solve the differential equation. So general solution is yc plus yp. To find yc, you take the homogeneous differential equation, that is d is equal to d by dx, du is equal to du by dx. If it is d square u by d square is there, that's written d square minus 1 into u is equal to 0. Let us write auxiliary equation. So therefore roots are plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1 are the real and different roots. Therefore complementary function is c1 into e power 1x plus c2 into e power minus 1x. Let us move to particular integral up is equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into 1. So 1 can be written as in the form exponential form e power 0x. Just d is equal to, take it as 0, that is minus 1. So u is equal to uc plus up, that is c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus 1x minus 1. But the general solution of the given differential equation, y is equal to uv, where we know v is equal to e power x square and u is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus x minus 1. This c1, small c1 and small c2. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now let us take another problem. Solve x into d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus xy is equal to 0. So are you able to solve Cauchy equation? No, we cannot solve through Cauchy, because here second order derivative is there and degree of x is 1 is here. Here first order derivative is no x at all. If you can multiply by x, what happens here? X square into y double dash plus 2x into y dash plus x square into y. So this is a problem, because this is 0th order but degree of x is 2, but you cannot solve by Cauchy. So therefore one can try another way. So let us try this problem through normal form. So let us write general form of second order PD. So therefore x should not be here. So divided by x, we have d square by dx square plus 2 by x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0, where p of x is equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to 1 and r is 0. So let us solve this problem through normal form method. Immediately to assume the general solution, y is equal to uv be the general solution of given differential equation. So the normal equation is, immediately once we assume the general solution uv, immediately let us have the normal equation is d square u by dx square plus k into u is equal to s of x. K is equal to q minus 1 by 4 into p square minus half into dp by dx, and v is equal to e to the power of minus half into integral of p dx, and s is equal to r by v. Let us calculate v now. E to the power of minus half into integral of p dx, where p is equal to 2 by x. Integral of 2 by x into dx, 2 to get cancelled. 1 by x integration e to the power of minus as it is into log x written. Minus 1 goes to the power of x here. E to the power log x go to the power of minus 1. So e and log get cancelled. X to the power of minus 1. So that can be written as 1 by x. So v is equal to 1 by x. Let us find k. K q minus 1 by 4 into p square minus half into dp by dx, where q is 1, p is equal to 2 by x, minus 1 by 4 into p is 2 by x, that is 4 by x square, minus half into Now 2 by x difference minus 2 by x square. So after simplifying we have 1. K is 1. So therefore the normal equation is d square u by d square plus u is equal to 0. So it is a homogeneous equation. Let us write the auxiliary equation m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are plus or minus I. The general solution is u is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So the solution of the normal equation. So the general solution of given equation is u into v, where v is here. V is 1 by x. So that is 1 by x v into u is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So this is the solution of our given differential equation, where c1 and c2